I'm now going to take you through these simple steps that's going to create your outline for your course. And it's going to be created in such a way it's going to be easy for you to actually create the outline. Plus, when you actually come to record your lectures, it's going to be super simple as well. So just to give you an overview, it's a little bit like, when you do a puzzle, you need to see the whole puzzle on the, the picture of the puzzle, the result. Otherwise, it's quite hard. So that's what I'm going to do here first, is give you the overview. So essentially, here's your student on the left. Over on the right is the result that your student wants. So essentially, remember, this is things they need to do, what they want to be able to do as a result of you taking them through your course. So your finished structure, your outline you're going to create is going to look like this. Not exactly like this. This is a visual representation of it, because I think if you get a picture in your mind of something visual like this, you'll see how it all makes sense. As you can see here, this is a bridge. So it's a bridge where your student can cross over to get to the other side to get their result. And essentially this has got uprights, so these are the major steps of your course, and in between is the interlinking steps that they'll step across. And you might be wondering what the question marks are. Well, that's information, the information the students also need as well. So that really is it. So once you've constructed this course, the student is going to love your course, because it's simply a case of them following your steps, and eventually that will take them to their result. And they will be happy. It's going to be straightforward. It's not going to be filled with unnecessary fluff. It's just going to be filled with the information required for the student to know, to be able to complete all the steps and get the result that they want. So there's a quick overview of it. That's what we're going to be creating. All your courses, if you create them this way, you're going to find it so much easier. So with that, let's get on to creating our structure, our outline for our course.